How you doing? Rubik's Cube. Had one of these in my hands about 3 decades ago. 3 or 4 days ago I picked one up and I wanted to learn how to solve it. So I've taught myself how to learned how to solve, not taught myself, but there's guides for this kind of thing, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve it here now, just by as a point. Okay, so for those of you that do this, white cross first. Corners. Okay, so the top row in the white is solved. Now, where are you going? Okay, so the first two rows are solved, and interesting. I already have a yellow cross at the top. Hopefully this will go smoothly. Let's see. This is usually takes a bit of time for me. However, okay, well that went rather well actually. Yellow solved. These back corners. 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 Okay, so the corners are all done. I have one here, so this, oh, I'm just gonna have to do the sequence a couple times, that's okay. There. So solved in just under 5 minutes. 4 days or whatever it is, taught myself how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Take the proverbial Rubik's Cube in your life, or obviously the literal one if that's your thing, whatever, and learn it, do it, for whatever reason it is for you to challenge yourself, for meditative purposes, whatever it is. But go forth, you can do it, train yourself. If there's something that you're reaching for or thought maybe you should do it for whatever benefits you can see for yourself. Anyways, from me to you,